The rapid pace of innovation in artificial intelligence has brought many experiences to the reality that were previously only thought to be fiction. As AI continues to disrupt how we live and work, what are some ways an investor can put their money to work in this type of advanced technology that is quickly reshaping society? We've put together this handy beginner's guide to help you better understand what AI is and how the technology is used, and identify some popular investments in the fast-growing space.
Welcome to a thought-provoking video that might just change the course of your financial future. This is brought to you by Exodus Capital, your one-stop destination for financial education. Think of us as the Netflix of financial knowledge, offering a treasure trove of content on real estate, investing, Turo car rental investing, e-commerce business, and much more. Stick around until the end, because we've got an exclusive call to action that can help you multiply your income ASAP.
What is artificial intelligence, or AI, as it is commonly known? Artificial intelligence attempts to replicate human intelligence in a computer or machine with faster speed and greater accuracy. Companies like Amazon and Google employ the technology to program machines to solve problems, answer questions, and conduct tasks previously done by humans. As systems become more intelligent, artificial intelligence becomes more powerful, and its uses and applications reach every stock sector and industry. For example, the transportation industry is undergoing a massive transformation around electric and autonomous vehicles, potentially bringing trillions of dollars to the global economy. Similarly, the banking industry leverages artificial intelligence to improve decision-making in tasks like trading, automate back-office processes like risk management, and reduce costs by using humanoid robots in branches. And that's just the beginning. Artificial intelligence is the most disruptive innovation of our lifetime, says Ritu Jyoti, Program Vice President of Artificial Intelligence Research at IDC in a recent note to clients. Artificial intelligence is not just nice to have anymore. The global pandemic has accelerated AI adoption, and it is becoming ubiquitous across all business processes. How artificial intelligence is used. According to a survey of more than 350 artificial intelligence researchers conducted by the University of Oxford and Yale University in 2015, there is a 50% chance that machines could outperform humans in all tasks by the year 2060. And some tech visionaries like Tesla CEO Elon Musk believe it could be much sooner. Organizations increasingly tap into the power of artificial intelligence to inform critical business decisions, such as prioritizing medical care in an emergency, enhancing recruitment practices, and determining an individual's eligibility for credit, housing, and other essential services. There's also a lot of debate on how artificial intelligence will impact the job market. As humans' dependence on machines increases, so does the need for employees to improve and learn new skills.